Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this curly headband wig I got from Luvme hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed it and all the accessories that it came with. Okay, so I am just unboxing the package and I'm showing you guys everything I got, which is the wig, the headbands, a note, and accessories, as well as a wig cap. So I got this Luvme clip for my hair, tweezers, another headband, and an edge brush and elastic band. I also got the headbands I wanted to show you guys up close. I got around 5 headbands. And I'm going to try each of them on later in the video. I'm also showing you an up close of the wig, how it comes extremely coiled. All you have to do is brush it out with some water, which I also show you later on in the video. As you can see from the inside of the wig, it comes with 4 combs and 2 Velcro straps. And here I'm just showing you how easy it is to brush through the wig. And the Velcro straps make it extremely secure to put on your head. And here I'm just putting on the wig and just aligning it with the wig cap, showing you guys how easy it is. And I already did my edges, so it makes it even easier. And now I'm going to show you guys the wig in an updo or a pineapple with all the headbands I got. You get so many headbands in the package, you can easily pair it with anything in your closet. This floral yellow headband was my favorite because it was just so pretty and bright. I also wanted to show you guys the headbands with my hair down. I did just go ahead and take some Eco Styler gel and water and flatten out the hair just so you guys can see how defined the curls get. You can also see here how easy it is to rake through the hair. I'm just showing you guys here that the hair is 16 inches when it is stretched out. All the details for the hair as well as a link and a 20% off code are down below in the description box, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!